Alright, let's fucking do this before I flip a fucking table. Alright? So in Genblit, within both images, different size, we have the function Genblit source to destination. This is all the source information. This is the destination information. Let's go down here. Okay, we're going to extract some of the information, right? So the pixel arrays are going to go in source and dest. And then we also need the width of source and dest and the height of source and dest. Let's go down here. We made a bug. We fixed the bug right here. This bug is fixed. And we also made this bug down here as well. The bug is fixed. Okay, so let's explain the algorithm, right? So we need the width and the height of our bitmap in pixels. This is a local x, y, and index. This is the source x, y, and index. This is the destination x, y, and index. We're going to loop through every single fucking pixel. So this is the maximum pixel index. Loop through all of the pixels in scanline order. And we need to convert this index to pixel x, pixel y. And then we're going to use that pixel x, pixel y. We're gonna add it to the top left corner of the source and the top left corner of the destination to get the source XY and the destination XY, right? So we're going to take this local value, globalize it to the source, globalize it to the dest. Now we need an index, so we're going to convert to a pixel index here. So right here, this is the source index and pixel index, the one-dimensional address of this XY value right here. Okay, we're going to do some error checking right here. I'm not going to fucking explain this because we're going to run out of time if I explain this error checking. Okay, down here is where we're going to copy the pixel from the source to the dest. If this math doesn't make sense for you, then you might not really actually belong on the advanced playlist. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Okay, right here, I made a bug here. I fixed it. We're going to add the bilinear bit-blitting code right here, and then no code is written here because we should never hit this block of code. Okay, so in Fiopunk, within this function right here, where we're 2 callbacks deep, we use that source destination code that we just went over right here when we are loading a 512 by 512 bitmap. Otherwise, if it's 896 by 896, we use this function here, which is a little bit simpler. We're out of time, though. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of here. Fuck this.